Hi everyone, and welcome to this video on how to make money with blockchain. Uh, we have been learning the technology of blockchain, how blockchain works and how a blockchain solution is built. Now this module is about how to make a blockchain solution that actually makes money and is sustainable in the long term. Blockchain has allowed new business models to appear. Realize how cool this is. We have been making money in the same ways for many years or centuries, I don't know. But now there is a completely new business model that has appeared, a new way of making business between ourselves, which is based on blockchain, in that decentralized store of trust that is blockchain. And blockchain allows to build decentralized communities that have no centralized control. It allows to put together a group of people that are forced to trust each other because there is no way of breaking the rules in blockchain, and that allows them to trade between them without the need for an intermediary that would enforce the rules. The rules are enforced by blockchain instead. This lack of a centralized actor that ensures that the rules are being followed makes those blockchain communities, those blockchain businesses, be able to scale a lot more in terms of market share. In terms of technology, that's a question for the technologists. But in terms of market share, it's well known that communities that don't have a leader, that communities that are organic, that are decentralized, can grow a lot more. The only challenge is to keep them coordinated, and on that is where blockchain helps. Building a blockchain business is also a decentralized community of customers actually means giving control of your business to your customers, which is quite a scary proposition in itself. It means giving away a lot of control of your business, and that's why enterprises are also being a lot slower in adopting this technology than startups, because startups are eager to try this new business model and enterprises are reasonably scared to let control go in the hands of the customers. That's quite difficult to do. But how do you actually give your business to a group of customers and hope that they will do the right thing? You do that through incentives, and blockchain gives you the tools to do that. Blockchain from the Bitcoin years, comes with a currency built in, and that currency can be used to reward and punish your customers for their actions. Sounds weird to punish your customers, but yeah, you can actually even punish your customers if that's your thing. Mostly you will reward them, the same as in Bitcoin the miners are rewarded for adding a block. In your blockchain application, you will reward your customers from doing trades that are beneficial for the system as a whole, and for taking actions that are beneficial for the system as a whole. So when you build a blockchain solution, you actually bring together usually not only consumers of products but also producers of that same products. You bring together the people that produce something with the people that consume that something, and probably the people that do some other ancillary roles, like for example vetting new customers coming into the community, or vetting the quality of the products being produced, or resolving disputes. You can build all these roles and pay each customer, or whatever you want to call them, for their services at the same time that you charge them for the products they buy or they obtain. And usually the business takes some kind of cut of all transactions, or uses this huge network of customers to sell some added value products. This set of incentives and these business models, they are what you might have heard of as tokenomics, or is a name for it. Basically, tokenomics is a kind of branch of game theory where you try to build a group of people. You try to model a group of people, each one with their own interests, and you incentivize each one to do something or other, and with that you expect to get a sustainable network of people that grows in size and value. That in a nutshell is what I think tokenomics is. It's a new field, so there is not much of a consensus on what tokenomics actually is right now. In this module, anyway, I will show you a little bit how this works, how this whole incentive system works. On the second part of this module, once we are clear on how blockchain applications make money, I'm going to walk you through a few of the industries where blockchain is having an impact, and now you will be able to understand why these industries are more at risk of being disrupted by blockchain and what the future would look like for these industries. This is very much on the decentralized finance space, also in supply chain, but you will see that opportunities abound. As I said before, this module is where the blockchain technology meets the real world. Here is where money is to be made and where all the opportunities lie. So this is an important module. In this one you will see how all this is applied in the real world. So pay attention, this is going to be a fun one.